When writing lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write O, go up, stop, then come back down and all the way round. Stop and create a short line from here to stop at the top. Let's see how it looks in a word. 1 is written like this. All the letters after O start at the top because O ends at the top. Foot is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital O, draw an oval shape that sits on the bottom line. The word one with a capital O is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.